Hello everybody, this is Terry B, and today up my face I've got this very nice brass master lock. As you can see there, works very nice with a key. This is a 5-pin. This today will be my entry into LockChuck's 600 giveaway. So congratulations LockChuck, 600. It should be a more than that, without a doubt, but YouTube is a funny world. So what LockChuck is asking us to do is pick a lock, 4 pins or 4 levers, 4 discs or above. This is actually a 5 pin lock with a tool that we've made ourselves. So I'll be using this short hook. This is an ebony wood there, brass lined with deer antler. If you can see that there. That is a pick that I made myself. That's what I'll be picking with today. So yeah, hopefully get myself in a comfortable position there. Hopefully we can get this open. And while I'm doing that, I'll say congratulations Chuck again. Excellent, absolutely fabulous channel. If by any chance, which I very much doubt if you're watching this, that you haven't watched Chuck's channel, please do. You will not be disappointed at the talent that man has for, well, picking. It's a picking channel, but his creations with 3D printer, just his hands alone making tools. Some absolutely amazing stuff. See, that lock is open. There we go. I don't quite get why he's still hanging around the 600. He should be way further than that in numbers, but like I say, the YouTube is a funny thing. But yeah, congratulations Chuck, excellent work, excellent channel, and thank you for hosting this giveaway and this opportunity. So thank you for watching, good luck everybody, and I'll see you later.